Best 1.5 ton split AC. Number 5. Havells Lloyd 1.5 ton 3-star inverter split AC. Approx price 34,000 rupees. Lloyd split AC with inverter compressor. Energy rating 3 star. Annual energy consumption 911. Blue Finch evaporator coils. 100% inner grooved copper tubes. R32 refrigerant. Warranty 1 year on the product and 10 years on the compressor. Number 4. Voltage 1.5 ton 3-star split inverter AC. Approx price 34,500 rupees. Split AC with inverter compressor. Capacity 1.5 ton, suitable for medium sized rooms. 111 to 150 square feet. Energy rating 3 star. Annual energy consumption 4800 units. SR value 3.81. Copper condenser coil. Refrigerant gas R32. Warranty 1 year warranty on the product. 10 years warranty on inverter compressor. Number 3. LG 1.5 ton 5-star AI plus dual inverter Wi-Fi split AC. Approx price 49,990 rupees. Split AC with inverter compressor. Capacity 1.5 ton. Suitable for medium sized rooms. 111 to 150 square feet. Energy rating 5 star. Best in class efficiency. Annual energy consumption 685.26 units per year. Copper with ocean black protection. Dual inverter compressor. Manufacturer warranty 10 years on compressor with gas charging. 5 years on PCB and 1 year on product. Number 2. Whirlpool 1.5 ton 3-star inverter split AC. Approx price 33,790 rupees. 4-in-1 convertible AC. Split AC with intelligence inverter compressor. Capacity 1.5 ton. Suitable for medium sized room. 111 to 150 square feet. 100% copper condenser coil. Heavy duty cooling at 52 degrees Celsius. 6th sense technology. Self clean function. Refrigerant gas R32. Warranty 1 year on product. 5 years extended warranty on compressor. Number 1. Panasonic 1.5 ton Wi-Fi inverter 5-star smart split AC. Approx price 46,990 rupees. 7-in-1 convertible modes with additional AI mode. Capacity 1.5 ton. Suitable for small sized rooms. 121 square feet to 180 square feet. Energy rating 5 star. Annual power consumption 774.19 kW per hour. Wi-Fi split AC with twin cool inverter compressor. Refrigerant gas R32. Environmental friendly. 4-way horizontal and vertical swing. Indoor unit dimensions 107 x 29 x 23.5 semi. Outdoor unit dimensions 78.1 x 55.5 x 28.1 semi. Manufacturer warranty 1 year comprehensive. 4 years on PCB, 9 years on compressor, 5 years on outdoor unit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.